Hello, we're going to take a look at the RocwooD battery-powered lawnmower. As you can see, it moves nice and easy via push-pull, and also features a 25-litre grass catcher. We're going to do a 360 of the mower. As you can see, it's nice and compact with a sleek profile, making sure it's nice and easy for storage. Opening up the front of the mower, we can see it's where the battery is stored. This mower comes with 2 batteries along with 1 charger. The batteries are universal amongst all the RocwooD cordless items. It features 1 click to get the battery into the mower, and there's also a little red key to be able to take the battery out of the mower as well. From the rotary blade, the mower features a cutting width of 330mm. The mower is 114cm long, 95cm tall and 35cm wide. It's also extremely lightweight, weighing only 12kg. By twisting these knobs here, it gives the ability to make the lawnmower even smaller by removing the top handle. Here are the specifications for the mower, such as the propulsion type, voltage, material and noise level, which is 75 decibels. It also features a grass collector of 25 litres. In addition, to change the adjustment of the grass height you want, it comes with a wrench to be able to do that. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.